economy. Okay, what do we understand by primary economy? It is an economy which is based on agriculture. Okay, it is an economy which is based on agriculture. This is called as primary economy. Is this clear? Okay. Tell me. Okay. Next. Secondary economy. As agriculture started developing more and more and more, now we didn't need more and more agriculturalists. They started venturing into manufacturing. They started developing into manufacturing, or it could be that agriculture is only being processed more. Okay? Agriculture is only being processed, or it could be anything. Everything to do with directly with natural resources is primary. Okay, processing of whatever is there in the nature. Okay, this is called as secondary. Is this fine? Next, you have something called as tertiary services. Have something called tertiary services. What is this tertiary services? Okay, so tertiary services is that service which is dealing with, or tertiary economy, sorry, is that which is dealing with services. Okay, so first is agriculture, second is manufacturing, third is services. Services means what? Okay, it could be anything. Okay, yes, if for example an Ola or Uber or let's say Rapido is transporting you from one place to another place, that is some logistic transport, that is also service. Okay, health, a doctor is there, education, okay, teacher, then hotel, okay, some banking, okay,